Hi friends, we see that the forest is the natural shelter or natural home of the various types of the wild animals and the plants. Due to the profit and pleasure, the human beings are continuously hunt the animals in the forest. For example, elephant, rhino, and other animals are continuously hunt by or killed by the people for their various parts of the that animal's body. Therefore, what happened? The population of these animals is continuously decline, and due to this, these animals become endangered animals, or their numbers are become very less, and there is a risk to extinct of that animals from the earth. That's why the government take a steps. We see about the national parks and the national reservoirs, so on sanctuaries. So now we see about how to conserve of the forest. We know that due to the continuously growing population, the human being cut down the trees, and due to this continuous deforestation, I use the term deforestation. Deforestation means the cutting of deforestation means the cutting down of trees over a large area, very large area, okay, of land. In this case, the for the fulfill the need of the population, growing population, the human being continuously cut down the trees in the forest, which are the natural habitat for the number of animals also. So due to this, what happen? Continuously the number of plants as well as the number of animals are decreasing. Okay, therefore the why the forests are cut down, I tell you the again reason why the forests are cut down. Now I tell you just before it. Yes, the forest due to increase in the population forests are cut down for construction of building, towns, industry. So for this purpose, the thousands of trees are continuously cut down. Okay, so continue, this is called the deforestation. Due to this deforestation, the number of plants are decrease from that area. And which are the effect of deforestation? What happen if this deforestation is continuously done? Okay, Number one, animal will lose. Animal will lose. Will lose. Animal will lose their homes. Okay. Due to this cutting or deforestation, the number of plants are decline, and because the tree is the natural shelter for the lots of animals. So due to this, the natural habitat is increasing, therefore the animals become homeless, and if there is a no home, animals are not safely live in the forest. Then the second one is the amount of oxygen. Amount of oxygen in the air will be reduced. We see that due to the air pollution or due to the continuously cutting down of the trees, the oxygen level in our environment or atmospheres is continuously decreasing. Why it is decreasing? Because the plant is the only source on the earth which gives us oxygen. This oxygen is given out by the plant during the process of the photosynthesis. If there is no tree, there is no photosynthesis and no emitting of the oxygen gas. So this is the dangerous effect. Now we face this in number of big cities. They need a mask, oxygen mask. Particularly the elder people and young people need the mask. So this is about the deforestation. So reforestation. Okay. So reforestation means planting new trees to replace the ones that are cut down. Okay, so we see that the development is also necessary for us, and to develop the roads and other things, some trees are cut down, and that's why the number of trees are declining. But due to this reforestation, means we can planting much more new trees than we cut. Suppose if we cut the 10 trees on the street for the development, then we can grow the near about 40 to 50 new trees. So this is called the reforestation, and due to this, the government planned Van Mahotsav and other in the school and in the government offices, and some NGOs and social workers are also take part. So in this way we can conserve. There is one example are given for the people who fight for their environment. That is the Chipko movement, which are done in the forest of the Odisha, and it is led by the Sundarlal Bahuguna. It is a very great personality. Okay, and government are also awarded for this work. What can they do? They do the Chipko Andolan. Means what is this? Chipko means to hug. What happens? Some peoples cut down the trees in that jungle. Therefore, the native peoples, particularly, this is the first moment which is done by the women. So, women can go in the forest and they hug the trees to prevent the cutting down of the tree. So, this is the step which are women take to conserve the forest. Some tribes also conserve or protect our forest. So thank you. This is the for the conservation of the forest.